Want to consolidate your retirement accounts or get better service? If transferring an IRA from another firm to Fidelity seems like a paperwork nightmare, you're not alone. Today, we're transferring an IRA to Fidelity in just a few minutes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. This is called a transfer of assets, and Fidelity's online tool makes it surprisingly simple to initiate. Step 1. Use the online transfer tool. Log into your Fidelity account and find Transfer or Transfer an account to Fidelity. Select IRA as the account type and choose your current provider from the list. Step 2. Provide account details. You'll need a recent statement from your current IRA provider to enter your account number and other details. Fidelity will handle the rest, including contacting your old firm to request the transfer. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: initiate the transfer from Fidelity, not from your old firm. This is crucial. Always start the process on Fidelity's end. This is called an ACAT transfer and is much faster and more reliable than trying to request a transfer from your old brokerage, which can be slow and cumbersome. So, just like that, you can consolidate your retirement savings with a market leader. A seamless transfer goes a long way in simplifying your investment management. Now I'm curious, what was the main reason you decided to transfer your IRA to Fidelity? Lower fees, better tools, or something else? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.